Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to easily turn on or off Google Translate in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right, click on the More icon. Locate the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner of the browser window and give it a click. Step 3. Click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access Chrome's settings page. Step 4. Select Languages. On the left-hand side of the settings page, click on Languages to open the language settings. Step 5. Go to Google Translate. Under the Languages section, you'll find Google Translate. Click on it to proceed. Step 6. Turn it on or off. To enable Google Translate, toggle the switch to On. To disable it, simply toggle the switch to Off. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to turn on or off Google Translate in Chrome on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.